my grandparents passed away. They had 4 kids, and 2 of them passed away. Well, one of them had a granddaughter, and she has just came in and took everything.
Okay. Did they have a will?
No will.
No will was set up. Okay.
And they have 2. Well, grandparents had my father and his brother still alive.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, the one that just passed away, my aunt, she lived with him her whole life. Mm-hmm. And she had power of attorney over everything, and my cousin had power of attorney over her. Mm-hmm. So now there's this big fuss, who gets what and how, and my cousin she's wanting to sell it all.
Okay.
Just sell everything and keep the money.
All right, let me put you on hold, Marty, and let Jay sort of weigh in on hearing a little bit about, I'm sure this is something you're quite familiar with when you have someone that comes in, contesting, somebody's trying to take charge and there's more family members that want a piece of the pie.
And no will.
Yeah, and definitely, and what happens sometimes when that happens is people will come in and they'll kind of they never necessarily go to probate court and file the documents that need to be filed to file the procedures. Mm-hmm. And when that happens, people will kind of just leave it and they'll let the children still live in the house, but they've never started a probate hearing for it. And that's what actually needs to happen in your case, is that they died what we would call intestate. And since they died intestate, we need to actually have a formal hearing so that we can distribute the property properly. And the way we'll do that is you just go to court, you find an attorney, hire an attorney to go with you down to probate court, and you would open an intestate estate so that that property could be properly split. Yeah. The powers of attorney were only valid while those people were living, so as soon as they passed away, their powers of attorney were no longer valid.